Hey guys, this is Brandon with the Millionaire Mindsets coming to you live with another great and informative video. In this video, guys, I'm going to show you an easy way how you can get paid $50 to $100 a day for free without any investment. In this video, guys, we're going to talk about a website called Swagbucks. And I'll leave the link in the description box and also in the comment section. I may have talked about this video in the past, one of my past videos. But I'm going to be showing you a more effective way how you can make more money. So this is a site, guys. I already have a site. If you don't have a Swagbucks account, you're going to go to the referral link that I'll put in the description and or the comment section. And you're going to create a free account. Name, email, create a password, basic information. You do not have to make any type of investment. This is 100% free. As you guys know, well, if you may not know, Swagbucks is a get paid to site. So you'll get paid for taking surveys, answering daily polls, watching TV, cash back, playing games. There's a lot of different ways to get paid on this website, about 9-10 different ways. If you look on the right hand side, you'll see 5,645 SB. That means Swagbucks. And this equals about $56. 100 Swagbucks equals $1. So this is about $56 I have in here. So I can cash out if I want. And this site will pay you a lot of different ways. One of the ways that I choose to get paid, and as you can see on the left hand side where it says redeem your Swagbucks, you can click here and see the rewards. I usually cash out with a Visa gift card or PayPal. But if you want to get paid through PayPal, as you see, is a Home Depot gift card. They also have like a Walmart gift card, iTunes gift card. But we're going to do PayPal. So I'm going to click on, let's say, $25 gift card. As you can see, PayPal is right there. So you'll click on the PayPal. Enter your PayPal email and they'll send you $25 straight to your PayPal. You could transfer it straight to your bank account. Or if you $50 in this case, you can go to $50 and request a $50 PayPal cash. So they do PayPal. They do pay by PayPal, which is one of the most popular ways to get paid. Okay, to jump into the video to show you how to make $50 to $100 a day. You see, guys, where it says refer and earn $3. You're going to click on that. And keep in mind, guys, this is 100% free. Okay. So you'll get $3 just for referring someone for free. So imagine you send your friend, Timothy, your referral link. He signs up for Swagbucks and you get paid $3, actually $4, and I'm going to show you why. So 300 Swagbucks plus 10% lifetime earnings. 300 Swagbucks equals $3. And plus you get residual or passive income. So for every time they log into Swagbucks and every time they earn Swagbucks, you get 10% of their earnings. So if they make $10, you'll get paid $1. If they make $100, you get paid $10. So you get 300 Swagbucks, which is $3, plus you get 100 Swagbucks, which is $1, every time they add the swag button to their browser, which is easy. And I have that button added to my browser. So total, you're going to make $4 per free referral. So what do they have to lose if it's 100% free? You're getting paid $4 for them not spending any money. So basically free money. So you can send your friend your swag link directly, which is right here. You'll copy that and you paste that. And that's your swag link. Or you can type in your friend's email, send a message, click on send email, and you can refer them that way. They'll get the link through their email. And as you see, it says 10 remaining invites. So you can send up to 10 email referrals, your referral link to 10 people at once. But I don't usually email it that way. The best way to do it, guys, is to just copy your link and send it to your friend, on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whatever. The best way to do it is just send them the link directly. Once you send them the link, guys, they're going to sign up for free. They're going to, type in their name, email, create a password, sign up for free. After they signed up for Swag Bucks, guys, don't forget to copy this link and send it to them. So one, you're going to send them your referral link, which is down here. You go to Refer and Earn, scroll down, your referral link will be right there. And after they sign up for their referral link, you're going to send them another link right below where it says 100 Swag Bucks. Copy and paste that, and they're going to add the swag button to their browser, which takes about, 30, 40 seconds. So it's two links. One link, you scroll down, and there's a referral link to sign up for Swag Bucks, which you get paid $3 once they sign up. And then you get paid an extra $1 when they copy and paste this link and add the swag button to their browser. Now, say you have, 500 friends on Facebook. Tell them to all do you a favor, sign up for Swag Bucks. They lose nothing. It's 100% free, and they can make money doing it. Free money on the side. And you get paid 10% passive income for any additional Swag Bucks they earn. $4 per person. So if you have 500 friends times $4 each, that's $2,000, guys. Not including the passive income you'll get. 10% on however much your 500 friends make, you get paid 10%. Now, you may be asking, when I run out of 500 friends, on my Facebook, how am I going to get more referrals? You're going to go to a site called Fiverr.com. That's F-I, V as in Victor, E as in Elephant, R.com. Fiverr.com. And I'll also put this link in the description box. And what Fiverr does, and I'll show you, is basically a website where you can pay for gigs. And here's what you're going to do, guys. Once you sign up for Swag Bucks, this is how you get referrals. Go to Fiverr and type in free signups. And I'm going to show you guys, how you can get free signups straight to your Swag Bucks link. So you're getting paid $4 each per free signup. They don't have to spend a dime. So free signups. My browser a little slow, just bear with me, guys. But this is an easy way to get paid, guys. I mean, super easy, like free money. And basically, once you type in free signups in this box and click on search, you're going to see a lot of different gigs that pop up. And it only costs you $5 to get a gig. Most people will give you 100 free signups for $10, 20 free signups for $10. For $5. So if you're getting 20 signups for $5, do the math, and you're making $4 per referral through Swag Bucks, that's 20 times 4, which is $80. And you only spent $5 on Fiverr. No, don't get me wrong. Swag Bucks is free to sign up. But if you want to do the method through Fiverr, it'll cost you about $5, which is not a lot of money, guys. So, here's someone right here. Let me see. Website signups. Let's try another search. Okay, let me see. Okay, so Okay, here's someone. They said they will provide website traffic with 15 signups. That's $10. I will provide website traffic with 15 signups. That's also $10. A lot of them are $5, guys. I'm trying to find you one with $5. $10 is still cheap. But let me see if I can find one for $5. Here we go. I will provide 12 real signup to increase your website leads manually. So someone will pay someone $5 and they'll give you 12 free signups. And guys, this is 100% legit. I use Fiverr, dozens of times. And these people don't get paid until you actually receive the signups. And you'll pay through PayPal. So Fiverr is a great site where you can get gigs. So this person will give you 12 signups for $5. So 12 signups, and you're getting paid $4 per signup with swag bucks. So that's 12 times 4, which is $48. And do you see where I'm going with this, guys? And you can order this gig multiple times. Free money. So 1-day delivery. You pay $5. They'll give you 12 signups. And once you click on continue, they'll ask for your link. You'll put in your referral link, which is a Swagbucks link. And they're going to send you 12 free signups. You also get 20,000 visitors. So it can possibly be more than 12 signups. But 12 real signups guaranteed. The opportunity has to be free though, guys, which Swagbucks is free. This will not work with a paid opportunity. If the opportunity costs money, it won't work. It'll only work with free opportunities, and Swagbucks is perfect for that. So once you click on continue, you'll enter your Swagbucks link and you'll start getting those signups to your link. So again, guys, sign up for Swagbucks. It's 100% free. You do not have to pay any money to get started. You'll get $3, 300 Swagbucks, which is $3 for signing someone up for free, plus an extra $1 when they add the swag button. Invite all your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and then go to Fiverr, Fiverr, type in website signups, click on search, and search for the gig you want that will provide to you the free signups. There's multiple services you can order, guys. I'm going to go back to website signups. And it'll show you the people's rating that will deliver the signups. People that's great with generating traffic and getting signups for you. Guys, this is a brilliant, easy way to get paid. Use this to your advantage. Definitely an easy way to make $50 to $100 a day, and possibly even more than that, guys. A lot of different gigs on here. You can just search through them. Let me go back up. I will provide website traffic with 15 signups. And when you click on it, guys, make sure that the person's rating is either a 4 or above. This guy's rating is a 5, so that's perfect. This one is a 2-day delivery, 15 signups from anywhere in the world. So you can read some of the feedback, because a lot of people leave these people feedback. You can search for the gig you want. It'll show you a little bio of the person delivering the 15 signups to you. This is 100% legit. A lot of people will generate traffic on Fiverr, but this is an easy way that you can get paid $50 to $100 a day. Again, guys, I'll leave the link, the Swagbucks link, and also the Fiverr link in the description box. Once you sign up for Swagbucks, just shoot me a message, and I'll send you a promo code, which you can get paid an additional $5 just for signing up for free. So shoot me a message, guys. This is how you can get paid $50 to $100 a day. And until next time, guys, I'm out.